my people, now welcome to the matter. This is a new year, and you know what? Go and big things and go and barking at the yard. Respect. All of the more than, you know. Make it more time. Will you keep quiet?
It's too early, man.
It's too early to take anything for this year.
Welcome the matter today. My name is Lenu, comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and this is a fresh new program where we bring can give you for the freshest station, Wazobia TV. This now I, the Red. Ojueje. This is not the only program where we bring every news where you hear, where you read, where you see, you walk up past the door, they tell you. We go bring a call here, talk the way you go take tori for body, but at the end, all na joke. A joke. And today, make a talk as Oyibo people go talk to dissect and trisect and obliviously, gloriously, and believelessly, like the words of my brother, Pratik Obayago, that makes no sense. Go talk. I get my brothers, my friends, them here. We're going to follow me to dissect this matter every time. When you see me here, they sure say you go get better time because the people that were there with me, if you see them, just don't say your day will make brain. First of all, to my right, I get. I know that's I want to introduce them again. You know, say, where person over old. From young boy. And I want to start a old dread. And I go notice say the dread, no, the Greek come out.
Conditioner, no, na conditioner confam. And a condition confam. So if they, you know, say when money day, and the person when they pay you, say when you do this thing, you have to do it.
So now, as you begin to see money now, you know what they get here. MC Shaggy.
Yes, sir.
Happy New Year to you, my brother.
Why I say?
Happy New Year. And of course, we get the old school comedian of Nigerian comedy.
And also the
or total one of Nigerian comedy, Lucky Shide.
I like that.
Lucky Shide.
I like that title.
Like the Robo people Shide, my Shide.
She did. Yeah, my people on that day, we hell on that gidigba, we don't show, we don't appear. I
like your weave on.
Oh, thank you, brotherly.
They ask for inside the
no good here.
Studio. See what you do the hair. What would be they do the intro? What you be telling that?
The hair never grew that time.
Okay. We be do the hair. We be do the intro 1962. So now we come big issue.
Must you leak our secret?
Oh my brother, my bro. That's what
let me do the intro. Now when I come, now come join them. And also to the far right, now the fine boy of the Nigerian comedy, but we get so
sexy guy.
Comedy 5-star general before Taliban, but since when all this we don't happen, where Bible even tell us say fear not. Now he come on the Taliban for a name. MC Shakara.
Yes, man. Nothing God no fit do. You know, land where we say blind people do. Who get one eye and be king.
Yeah, the king, no lie, no lie.
Say get where I go sit down, they will call me fine boy. I don't talk anything, Sha.
No, seriously, seriously, Shakara na fine guy,
Yeah, he is.
Okay, well.
I say you know the crush of Shakara.
No, I know, but na fine guy.
So now say be, you know say big head, no the heavy will carry him if na like man hands banky. You add W now, you know.
Back head no big like that. It's just enormous.
Okay,
make we start the matter. As I talked before, this is not the only program we go give you that license. You go come here. If you see any news headline, we be like say you like more we talk am for here. The way we go to switch it for body. Just send and come our email at DEY@wazobiatv.tv. And we will go look am. We go talk about the way the thing will just switch it for body. Now, so we do it for this place. But before we enter the news headlines, we get some new things we'll see. First of all, we want to thank our Nigerian government. Say they try for us for this Ebola matter because this is the only country where we say Ebola come. They fight them, wrestle them, reach ground, send that, give a quick notice, send that, come out for Nigeria. So tell you, what people will say that they get sense pass us because they ask us, say, oh boy, how can I tell you the quick notice? Who should I do?
You know that the one thing can say the credit safe now even the Ebola government was supposed to thank, you know, because me I feel say nobody government really even pursue the Ebola by say the thing as he enter when he see condition no light, no water, bad road, everything and look he say man America flex in America now I carry this
what thing I notice about this disease them when I just they enter country anyhow when I don't enter country anyhow like now so they call one mad cow disease. Say for Nigeria, we full and the boy go flog cow for house. Madness
not the common.
Madness never go for anybody.
Even if the cow see the mad, if you use better cow, they boil down.
Turn that to Tico.
You go see where disease go the heat pot cover. Come on.
Honestly speaking.
But you don't say even the Ebola. You don't say many things happen that period. Yes. Where some come and say salt.
Take salt bath.
Coca-Cola. People can't even they shock. Even these my people. Even these particular people, they're shocked.
They're shocked.
Not only people shocked for this matter.
Now first time I see where person here Ebola pass soldier. You know one major they drive. One guy hit in car for back. The major corner. Do you know me? The guy say, cool down, will you be Ebola? You keep person on that 21 days. Cool down, I beg.
Oh boy.
No, what they talk say no be only us shock. Even these animals them, they self shock. They call this. Say, how this thing happen? No be only we. You see them.
Ebola, oh no.
It's an inside job.
They don't believe anything they come for Nigeria.
So this can leave Nigeria. No.
No, where did it shock me? Now where they thought say we no chop bushmeat again.
Bushmeat.
Our precious bushmeat.
But you know, say bushmeat them, all the bushmeat, they really rejoice that time.
My God, Nigeria, they chop.
But you know, say some disease will get sense. Now they the last of this country. Ebola no get sense. That's why it not last.
Like which disease guesses?
HIV/AIDS. You know.
How many centuries we come? Crocodile follow us find independence.
I tell you, get one gist between Ebola and HIV. Honestly spoken, more leave Ebola matter.
Okay, now Shaggy, lucky child. Now if you follow discuss this matter because you know say now only 3 of us they qualified to talk this next
matter. My God, give me.
Yeah, there. In fact,
you know say never to where you marry.
This is a ring.
What is
go and marry?
Will you keep quiet?
Keep quiet
there, my friend. Married men.
Shut up.
Wait, how come Shakara did we are married men?
My brothers, hello.
Leave him.
I say no talk.
See you.
Yeah, my God.
Oh, we go marry. No.
Your wedding you do it for your reception you do it for one better place.
Yes.
Food and the rest of them.
Yes.
You know, say this to people. The ones that way we see something they touch for their head. Many. See this picture. See where people take marry. You know, be like say yeah, now me just carry the talk.
Okay.
If you look up, now the groomsmen be that. If you look down at the brother tree and the chief bridesmaid. So I don't understand why person could just look say I won't do wedding. I don't see anywhere where I go carry the wedding go. I can't go inside water.
You don't say Oyibo their life simple. As you call your friend, say, I'm wedding and it's going to be in the river. Oh, really?
You don't say they like little
Nigerian person call El Alpha. And my wedding now for barbecue tomorrow inside the water. Say, that day they go to call. Alpha, I never say, we did traffic.
Even as you drop the call, you say, but boy, we renew. Inside barbish.
But you know say this kind of wedding now, you don't get how if they tell some people we go to say fish no day.
At all.
Fish was dead. That kind of wedding self, even they chop water hungry, you don't need to shout water.
Just go river, collect water.
But seriously, Elenu, one thing I notice, you know say if you look venue for wedding, it cost to. Ash. So that man then think why you go on do wedding, go rent or 500,000. Go use the water, simple way. They not pay for jet. How do you feel?
I don't say the refreshment could be point and key.
I tell you.
Point and key. I want to up here.
But it's good, Sha. It's good so that it's good. Easy for people to the wear.
Yeah, so now they
not spend much. I probably say they not spend much money for that wedding.
If all had you just go Legushi or
I know money left for that place.
No money left. Nobody
say a quad don't push babish go fast. So see fair enough for Legushi.
Nigeria hello now. What we dey now you push am. Okay, so moving on. Now, this is the first news headline we'll see for this particular newspaper. Say male prostitutes now they charge 12K for Lagos. When I want to talk about man was gay.
No be small.
Man will be was gay.
You not say for this Lagos.
See the picture.
If you don't know, you go to say everything they one-sided. That make when they talk about say male and female prostitute. I think wanna check. No be every man who is see for Lagos they work for office. Some will go carry briefcase. You don't know what they don't go do for night. And just imagine say you get girlfriend. She said she dey hustle. You said the hustle. You stand across the road. She stand for the other side of the road. You say, baby, how far? They never carry you. Say, no, they never carry me. I see they wait.
And they look, according to the story, they thought say the guy na reporter, him go one particular place for Ikeja, where you know, you don't
area when you go.
No, be that place.
That area when you go.
That's for Allen Avenue area.
one particular head, that particular street.
That's
so when you can't see babes, the babes they come look at him, say no, say no be baby, you want say one guy. So one guy got and say they day, but they really like to stand outside. You know, they say, so if you do me so well, I'll go bring one call for you. True, the guy finally get something, and the guy come outside. We dress like babe.
Confam metal.
The guy even first say 15K. The guy first say 15K.
Yes.
Now the guy come price and I say, okay, no, man, you 12. So you go your day now. Woman don't tire you. You go your drive enter street. They go find man where they road.
But you know where that work go take sweet small. No be say go sweet oh. You know say everything get advantage.
Yes.
Man, no quote me wrong.
They talk.
Talking now say I get where they go before.
No.
For the guys
where
the guys where they stand for road. If na man and they come pick them, die. But you know say if you get how guys go here say if you stand, say fine girls they come pick you, can't give you 12,000. You know say that road go block.
That road go line up. But seriously, this
no,
funny.
Fine girl go pick you, go still give you 12K sha.
But if man go feature 12K per night, oh boy, I'm not saying about it, but that's still good thing. Waiting 12K for one night.
But seriously,
but you know, don't they make money? I know that.
Seriously, we thank federal government for the law when they bring come. Say man to man 14 years. We thank God, but made a series on one side.
No, but this one government don't put and say 14 years. Now let me say their price will go up. Say, no, I'm taking a risk for you. Now
but let me see that talk. But if federal government look the other side, if you look for the other side, how you go there? Say you want arrest person, where be homo, you want take and go prison. Now honeymoon you don't give her. Now better honeymoon you don't give her.
Now
better honeymoon.
You suppose.
That place where you carry and go, so you know guys.
Boys, men full inside now.
In fact, all na honeymoon. I want to find.
Oh, Nana, you can't.
Okay. You go see where the guy go home, prison, enter prison. When men dey.
Where men dey na honeymoon in prison. And to find a cat where they lock all those animals they don't crease. Those people they arrest animals.
Yes.
All those animals they will misbehave, bite person, carry and put inside there. You go know himself.
Go know.
You see fine girls, you say no reach you. So as I did now, they look a little bit. You're mad.
I be saying my own baby.
Because I be party on a party. And then was slapping for liver.
I bet before Chicago they like my baby, it's beginning to annoy me. Yes, I know you like all these kind of things. I like women. I like women.
I think that's why.
We'll go for one quick break. We'll come back. We'll continue the matter. This is now the red. Ojueje. We is coming back.
Honestly spoken.